And welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm NaturallyAJ, and today I want to share a tip with you guys, something I've been doing that really helped me balance my moisture and protein balance. Okay, now, have your hair ever felt really soft and mushy? Just too soft and mushy? Well, if you have, that's probably too much moisture in your hair, and you need to balance that moisture and protein. Now, what I figured out is that I would use my moisture shampoo one weekend, the following weekend I would use my protein, then the following moisture, then the following protein, and then I would clarify my hair. Now, the products that I use for moisture, now moisture is a good thing. Believe that. Us naturals, we love moisturization, don't we? Yeah. Okay, now I use this, the Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration shampoo for moisture, along with the hair mask, the matching hair mask to go along with this. And it works very well. I love this stuff. If you want moisture in your hair, yes, give this a try. This works so well. But if you only use this and nothing else, your hair will get really soft and mushy, and that's not a good feeling because you just don't want to have that. Now, to balance that out, I use this. This is also Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair shampoo. Now this has Manuka. You want honey and yogurt. Okay. Now this is for protein reasons, and I use the matching treatment. This is the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair. I'm talking crazy today. You want hydrate and repair protein power treatment. I use that. Wonderful. Wonderful. I can't say enough. It balances, like I said, the moisture and protein balance. Now this, if your hair feels let me see, stringy, kind of coarse, and it's not that soft, that means you're using too much protein and you need to bring in the moisturized shampoo and conditioner. That's what I've learned over the years since I've been natural. And I've been natural a long time, I believe since what, 2015? Yeah, so that's a long time. But anyway, now, like I said, I use my moisture shampoo, protein shampoo the following week, moisture shampoo the following week, protein the following week, and then last I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil and strengthen and restore shampoo. Now this has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar clarifies the hair, and it gets rid of all that buildup, all those butters and oils, and it doesn't strip your hair. It's really good. But this is a really nice shampoo when you want to clarify your hair. Yes. Along with that, when I use this shampoo, I use the matching hair mask. Hope you can see that. My lighting is a little weird. The Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Yes, that's how I do it. That's what I learned. Maybe you would give it a try. Oh, let me back it up. Let me back it up. Okay, now let me just show you this. This right here. This, the protein conditioner, this stuff is so thick. What? Look at this. I mean, it's just, and let me just say this. When I use this alone, and I'm so glad I remember this, and I need to tell you guys this, but anyway, when I use this, it doesn't really soak into my hair that well. And I really want to find a really good protein conditioner, but that is so thick. When I lay it on my hair, it just lays on top of my hair. But, when I use it with this, I combine it with this. I add a little bit of this along with some olive oil in a bowl. I mix it up and then I put that on my hair. Magic, you better know it. It worked really well. That's my secret. I figured it out because this alone, it was way too thick. But along with this, yeah. That was it. That was it. Yep. But I'm glad I remembered. I almost forgot. I'm glad I was able to tell you guys that. But anyway, that's my little tip on getting that moisture and protein balance. I hope maybe you'll give it a try. It'll work for you. I love to share just fantastic information. And I'm just loving the way my hair is. It's looking pretty good. I just gave myself a really good trim. I mean, a rounded trim. I wanted my hair to look full and rounded, and I think I did pretty good. But loving the way I figured this out for my hair, because one while my hair was getting kind of dry, and I was using this too much. But then I figured out to use the other two shampoos and rotate it. Helps it out tremendously. Okay, I hope this video was very helpful for you. Give it a try, and I will see you next time. So in the meantime, be a light, shed some light, and until next time, God bless. Mwah.